Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dama and today I have a sewing DIY for all those that have dogs. And it all started because I went to Walmart and I saw this really cute Mexican sombrero and it was $1.97, so I felt like I had to have it just because I was like, my dog, my Jack Russell, his name is Ali, he can wear this little hat and a little cute vest or jacket that's very Mexican, and that could be his costume. So it all started with this hat. If you guys check out Walmart, they had all these really cute sections close to the dog food. They had so many cute little like costumes for cats and dogs, so make sure to check it out. And this is how it came out. I'm so excited. It turned out really cute, and it's also really cozy and warm because he does get cold in the winter. So it looks like this, very Mexican-ish, and I really loved it. It's very simple to do. If you have a sweater already, you can use that one to replicate it. So if you guys want to see how I did step by step, make sure to keep on watching. First, you're going to need a couple of items. You're going to be needing some scissors, some chalk, some Velcro, 2 different kinds of fabric. This is going to be the one that I chose to be visible outside, and this one right here is going to be the one inside, and this is kind of like a sweater material. So you're also going to need a little sweater that you already currently own for your dog, and this one fits perfectly for my dog. I can make a video specifically to make your own custom made and make your measurements per your dog. I can make a video like that, but this video is for if you already have a little sweater, a little vest that you can replicate. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it flat. It's folded in half. And this fabric is also folded in half right here, so it is layered. And I'm going to go ahead and trace it, and I'm going to leave maybe about ½ an inch on the sides because we will be sewing this. Just like that, and now we are going to be cutting it. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the full vest. I'm going to set this aside, and now I'm going to work with our fabric that's going to be showing on the outside. So we're going to be cutting the fabric on the outside, and all we're going to be doing is cutting exactly like this one right here. So now both of these pieces are cut. I'm gonna flatten them out and make sure you have what's gonna be outside facing upward. Now we're gonna be laying this one flat, and whatever's gonna be on the outside, make sure it's facing downward. So now we're gonna be sewing. Make sure you do not sew right here or the neck part right here, but make sure to sew the entire all the rest. So you're going to sew here, here, and stop here. So once I have that, I'll be right back. So now I've sewn the sides that I just mentioned. Now we're going to concentrate with right here. We're going to be attaching it. So I'm going to zoom in real quick. So what we're first going to be doing it is unfolding it like this, and we are going to grab the other side as well, put them on top of each other, just like this. You're going to sew straight across, attaching this, and this is the front of the neckline. So we're going to be attaching that, sewing that, and then I'll be right back. So this is how it looks once it's been sewn. So the front neckline is sewn and attached, and I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half. So this is how it looks folded in half, and now we're gonna focus on this part, so I'm gonna zoom in. So what we're gonna do here is just kind of fold the blue piece of fabric and also fold the other piece of fabric on the back and just sew straight across on the neckline. So it's gonna look like this once it's sewn. So you're gonna fold, do a little bit of folding on right here and the inside as well, so this fabric. So fold both of them together and sew straight on top, and you're gonna do that on the entire top of the neckline. So this is how it looks once I've sewn the neckline, and I also went ahead and sewed right on top of the edges just to kind of clean it up and make it look more professional. And the next step is to add the Velcro and sew it on. So it's going to go on the inside right here. I've already cut my pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and sew those pieces right on top of the little belly kind of flap. So this is what it looks like now, complete. So the Velcro is on one side on the colored portion, and the other part of the Velcro is on the solid side. So I've already tried it on my dog and it looks perfect. So that's how it turned out. I really loved it, and it was so much fun filming my dog Dali. He was like a little sport. It's like he knew that this little hat was for him, the little jacket or vest was for him, and he was like model citizens. So I had a lot of fun filming it. If you guys happen to like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys have dogs, make sure to tell me down below what kind of dog you have, or dogs if you have multiple. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day. And make sure to also check out my social media on Instagram. I will be posting a couple of pictures on Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to check that out. And as always, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!